Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got a pretty cool beginner tech trick for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bam! Couple things before I get into this video. I'm going to be using the 1-drop terrarium for this video. Also, I do have to be quiet because it is like nearly midnight now, so yeah, I need to be quiet. Anyway, yeah, and this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK. You can head on over there and use code Kieran 5% off if you enjoy this ASMR tutorial. Anyway, yeah, I'm really tired, so sorry if I missed something. Anyway, yeah, here's how to do the trick. So you're going to start off by rolling into your trapeze like so. Then you're going to like shoot off over your hand, making sure your index finger is underneath the string and not like curled up but just pointing out. It's important that it's your index finger, so just make sure it's like that. Then roll into your brother. Next, double on, and then you're going to pop up like so and cross your arms. Now with the arm cross, you're going to put this hand underneath, so it's almost like you're just rolling out, right? From here you're going to uncross your arms, making sure to engage your non-thread index finger with that string. And then you're just going to throw a slack down into an undermount, and that is the first half of the trick. Anyway, from this undermount, you're going to get your thumb engaged, twist, and do a little unroll slack like so. This looks quite hard, but it basically just happens automatically, so you don't actually have to worry about anything. From here you're going to pinch with your thumb and index finger and just do a little almost brother slack. You'll notice what you need to hit when it comes round, but basically it's going to be the gap in between these strings. So you don't want to land like this, that's wrong. Instead what you want to land is like this, where both strings have gone in. I'll put a little slow-mo up there for you. From here you're going to drop this string off the front, and that should land you in this mount. Then you can roll into this string, and you can roll out from the front, then roll into this back string, and then you can pop up into a reverse green triangle, which is going to pop out the back. Then you can bind, and then you've done the whole trick. Wow. Anyway, yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you guys. So, trapeze, roll into a brother, making sure it's like this, double on, cross arms, sack 1, sack 2, sack 3, pop off the back, roll on, and then like fake roll into the back string, and then reverse green triangle to bind. And yeah, that's the whole trick. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, leave a like, subscribe, and